Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the TradingView stock screener. First, navigate to the Screener tab on the TradingView website or application. Once there, you will see options to select your preferred market. For example, you can choose the United States or India. Next, refine your search by selecting a specific exchange, such as the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, to narrow down your initial results effectively. Now let's apply some descriptive filters to refine our stock list. You can easily filter by instrument type, choosing between common stocks, ETF, or other options. A crucial step is setting a market capitalization range. For instance, you might look for companies between $1 billion and $10 billion. Additionally, selecting a specific sector, like technology or healthcare, helps you target industries of interest. Moving on, we can use powerful financial and technical filters. Adjust the price range to find stocks trading within your budget, perhaps between $50 and $200. You can also filter by volume, looking for stocks with over 1 million shares traded daily. Incorporate financial metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio or earnings per share growth. For technical analysis, apply indicators such as the relative strength index or various moving averages to identify trends. Finally, once you have your desired list of stocks, you can save your custom screener settings. This allows you to quickly revisit your criteria without re-entering everything. You also have the option to export your filtered stock list to a CSV file, making it easy to analyze the data further in a spreadsheet program. Review your results carefully to make well-informed trading or investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.